Welcome to Money, my friend, the show that champions your financial empowerment. Today, we're shedding light on 10 common money habits that could be holding you back from prosperity. It's time to delve into the importance of financial literacy and cultivate healthier money habits. Imagine the possibilities if you could identify and rectify these pitfalls. Ask yourself, am I unknowingly sabotaging my wealth? Are you ready to break free from these habits and start your journey towards financial freedom? First up on our list of detrimental habits, living paycheck to paycheck. It's like walking a financial tightrope, where one misstep can lead to disaster. Consider Jane, who had a car breakdown. Without savings, she had to borrow money, increasing her debt. The solution? Budgeting and saving. Start by setting aside a small amount from each paycheck. It may seem insignificant at first, but over time, it adds up. Remember, every financial journey starts with the first step, and that is budgeting. Next up, the money-draining habit of impulse buying. It's like a quick sugar rush. It feels good for a moment, but leaves you empty later. The thrill of a new purchase often overshadows the strain it puts on your wallet. This habit is deeply rooted in our desire for instant gratification. But guess what? There's a simple cure: delayed gratification. Before you hand over your card, ask yourself, do I really need this? So instead of buying on a whim, take a moment to think. Do you really need it? Third on our list is not having an emergency fund. Picture this. Your car breaks down or an unexpected medical bill arrives. Without an emergency fund, these unplanned expenses could send you spiraling into debt. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net, preventing you from dipping into your savings or relying on credit cards. Think of it as your financial parachute, ready to catch you when life's little surprises come your way. Remember, an emergency fund isn't optional, it's a necessity. The fourth habit that's keeping you poor: ignoring your debts. When you neglect your debts, they don't just disappear. Instead, they grow, just like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and bigger. It's crucial to face your debts head-on, acknowledge their existence, and create a plan to tackle them. Don't let them control your financial future. Remember, debt is not a life sentence. You can and you will overcome it. Halfway through our list, at number 5, we have not investing. Investing is like planting a seed today and reaping the benefits in the future. It's about understanding the power of compounding, where your money earns more money over time. From stocks to bonds, real estate to mutual funds, there is a myriad of investment vehicles that can help grow your wealth. Remember, it's not about having large sums to invest, but making consistent, smart decisions. Investing isn't just for the rich, it's for anyone who wants to be. Number 6 on our list is not tracking your spending. This habit may seem harmless, but it's like driving with your eyes closed. You need to know where your money is going. Simple solutions like using budgeting apps or keeping a money diary can make a huge difference. It's all about awareness. Think of it as keeping tabs on a friend, your money. You wouldn't ignore a friend, right? So don't ignore your money. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. At number 7, we have not setting financial goals. Imagine setting off on a journey without a destination in mind. That's essentially what you're doing with your money if you don't set financial goals. Goals provide a roadmap, a target to strive for, and a sense of direction. They make the difference between wandering aimlessly and moving purposefully towards financial well-being. Whether it's saving for a rainy day, buying a home, or planning for retirement, goals matter. Set your goals, make your plan, get to work. 8th on our list is keeping up with the Joneses. This habit can lead you down a path of financial instability and emotional stress. It's a trap that tempts us to measure our worth by comparing our lives to others. Purchasing a new car because your neighbor did, or going on an exotic vacation simply because your friend posted about theirs, can leave you in a cycle of unnecessary spending. Remember, your journey is your own. Don't let anyone else's progress distract you from your path. Second to last, at number 9, we have not learning about money. Understand this, money isn't just about earning and spending. It's a tool, a resource that requires knowledge and understanding to wield effectively. Don't shy away from financial literature or online resources. Dive into books, podcasts, blogs, or even financial literacy courses. Equip yourself with the knowledge to make smart decisions, to invest wisely, and to grow wealth. Remember, the path to financial freedom is paved with continuous learning. Knowledge is power. Empower yourself. Last but definitely not least, we have not valuing money. This habit can stealthily creep into our lives. When we lose respect for money, we misuse it, wasting it on things that don't bring lasting value or joy. We must remember that every penny counts. Money, in essence, is the representation of our time, effort, and skills. Respect it. Understand its power and its limitations. It's not just paper or a number in a bank account. Remember, money is a tool. Use it wisely. So there you have it, 10 habits that could be keeping you poor. We've explored living paycheck to paycheck, a cycle that can be broken by careful budgeting and saving. We've talked about impulse buying and how resisting those spur-of-the-moment purchases can leave you with more money at the end of the month. We've delved into the importance of saving for emergencies, investing for your future, and keeping track of your spending. We've also discussed the dangers of ignoring your debts and the importance of setting financial goals to keep you on track. We've highlighted the pitfalls of trying to keep up with the Joneses and the importance of learning about money and valuing it properly. Each of these habits can be replaced with more positive ones that can lead you on the path to financial freedom. With these insights, we hope you're ready to take control of your financial future. Until next time, this has been Money, my friend.